arrested, brought before the king of the Philistines to be tested. You're afraid of dying? You say you're tempted to start lying? Well, before you do anything rash, dig this. Everybody plays the fool sometimes. You scratch the door and start to drool. Listen, baby, just cross your eyes and act like a tool. I ain't lying. Everybody plays the fool. Ooh. You're in the courtyard of the king, positively identified as the man who killed a bunch of Philistines. Oh, how can this be reality? Why is this happening to me? I'm a man of God, so I'm not lying, but I'm also not too proud, and I ain't dying. You can run and tell that everybody plays the fool sometimes. Scratch the door and start to drool. Listen, baby, just cross your eyes and act like a tool. I ain't dying. Everybody plays the fool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lord, can you help me? Made a fool of yourself today. The king tells the royal guard to scrape you off the floor and drag you away. Oh, all the household and royal staff taunt and mock you, they point and laugh, throw you out the palace on your head, but the joke's on them, cause you ain't dead. Praise be to Yahweh. Everybody plays the fool sometimes. Scratch the door and start to drool. Listen, baby, just cross your eyes and act like a tool. I ain't lying. Everybody plays the fool. Said everybody plays the fool sometimes. You scratch the door and you start to drool. Listen, baby, cross your eyes and act like a tool. I ain't dying. Everybody plays the fool. Smooth it out now.